your last message to the Kenyan people?
To the leadership that try to be honest and serve their nation. And don't think that you are the ruler of the nation. Islam says, the Holy Prophet of Islam said that the leader of the nation is the servant of the nation. If your leadership realizes, and the leadership of every underdeveloped country realizes it, you can better serve your nation and you will prosper and progress. And for the people, you have to be honest and hardworking at the same time. You see, our people, our businessmen, our trader, they do not honestly pay their tax, due tax. They try to find some loopholes how to hide their tax, how to avoid their tax, payment of taxes. Secondly, hard work. They should work hard and honestly for the betterment of the country. The Holy Prophet said that love of your country is part of your faith. If you follow this guidance, guideline, instruction, and make it a motto that you love your country because of your faith, and for that you will have to work hard. So then everything will be okay. So both leaders and the people should realize their responsibilities and work honestly and do hard work.
Okay, thank you.
Right?
Yeah. Shukran.
Thank you.